Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa. In the last video, we already learned how to paint 10 different leaves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use those leaves and turn them into a beautiful wreath and bouquet. So let's get started. Here I'm having the painting from the last video with me so I can use it for reference. And as always, I have 100% cotton paper and a piece of paper for color swatching, a cup of waters, and my Winsor & Newton palette. So first I'm going to mix the colors. In the last video, I also showed you how to mix different greens, so feel free to check it out. First, you're going to grab a pencil and draw a circle and size of your choice. And now I'm going to start with the first layer with the olive leaves. So since we already learned how to paint different leaves in the last video, and now you just need to start painting. So I just followed the pencil line and start painting. I will paint all the leaf following the zigzag direction. And now we finished the first layer. Next, I'm gonna choose this leaf for the second layers. I think painting wreaths is such a great way to relax and practice, because you don't have to think too much about composition. You just need to follow until you finish the whole circle. Next, I want to add a little bit more contrast, so I'm going to use this small round leaves with a very dark deep green for the third layers. I think for any painting, if you have a balance of different values from light to medium to dark, it's going to make the painting look so much more stand out and more pleasant to the eyes. At this stage, you can call it done, because I think it looks pretty good now. But for the purpose of practicing, I'm going to add another leaves. I'm going to use this purplish red little leaves to add next, so that I can have a little bit of colors instead of all greens. When I add this red leaves, it looks a lot more like Christmas wreath to me. I know we still in May, we're like 7 months away from Christmas, but it should be a good idea if you want to paint some Christmas card to send to friends and family. I'm going to add a final layer into the wreath using this very small leaf, so that I can have some sort of contrast in size. And now we're done. A very beautiful and lovely wreath. And as I say, you can actually use it to make a Christmas card for this year. And next, I'm going to show you how to use the same leaves and turn them into a beautiful bouquet. So for bouquet, it doesn't sound as hard as you may think. It just needs a little bit of thinking into your composition, that's all. And you can go online and look at the real bouquet and use them as a reference. And the more you practice, the better you become. So don't worry and don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just have fun and relax. So as you see on the right top corner, I put a photo of the final painting of the bouquet so that you can see the process how I paint it. And also you have something for your reference. If you're a beginner, you may want to have a light pencil sketch first and apply the color later. But here I don't actually sketch, I just go on in. I prefer to arrange as I go, and I think that maybe it works for me that way better. For me, when I paint a bouquet, I tend to put the big elements, the main elements first with the light or medium value, and put them in the center. And I just and after that I just surround them with different small elements. And if I want to add more contrast, I also add the small elements with a very dark value. And I find that whenever I apply this rule to whenever I paint a bouquet, they pretty much turn out quite okay. So I want to share this with you, and maybe you want to apply it into your painting as well. But by all means, I highly suggest that you just relax and trust your instinct, and just try to have fun, because that's art is all about. For this part, I painted something that I didn't like, so you see that I just go in with my brush and gently scrub the paper, and after that just use a piece of tissue and tap it to remove the excess water, and just keep painting. So as you can see, in watercolor you still can remove a certain paint if you want. So don't be too stressed out. Otherwise, just see it as a happy accident, just like Barbara say. And now we're done. This is gonna be another idea for your Christmas card this year. Alright guys, I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and if you want to see more content like this, please don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. That would help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.